Are you looking for an alternative to university or the next step in your career? You may be who we're looking for. Kickstart your accountancy career by applying for our new non-graduate trainee programme. You'll train for a fully funded ICAEW Chartered Accountancy qualification and an ILM Level 3 Leadership qualification and gain hands-on experience auditing over 800 public bodies across Wales. We're looking to recruit trainees from both South Wales, based in our Cardiff office, and in North Wales, based in our Llandudno Junction office. This exciting role will give you the opportunity to make a real difference and inspire the way public bodies provide services to their communities. We also have great mentoring schemes and a strong peer support network. We've got a great set of benefits, including access to the civil service pension, opportunity for compressed working hours, professional subscriptions, cycle to work scheme, shopping discounts, and more. If you're passionate about the public sector and don't have a degree, this might be the programme for you. Check out our website for more information. Apply today.